देखो अफ्रीका से एक कस्टमर आयरन टेक्सटाइल्स में आया हुआ है. देखो, हाय, हाउ आर यू ब्रदर? योर गुड नेम?
Azan.
Azan from Africa.
Yeah, from Nigeria.
Wow, very nice. Welcome to India. हेलो दोस्तों, वंस अगेन फिर से एक बार स्वागत करता हूँ हमारा तिरुपुर में. अभी हम आया हुआ है आयरन टेक्सटाइल्स का पास. ये आयरन टेक्सटाइल्स सबसे अच्छा में एक्सपोर्ट सरप्लस आइटम डील करता है. एकदम रीजनेबल प्राइस में, होलसेल प्राइस में. इधर आपको मेंस, लेडीज़, किड्स ऑल आइटम इधर आपको एक्सपोर्ट सरप्लस में मिलेगा. ये देखो ऐसा वाला बहुत सारे आइटम. ये शर्ट्स है, मेंस का शर्ट्स है, ऐसा वाला टी शर्ट्स आपको मिलेगा. इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट ऑनलाइन सेल और समथिंग, यू कैन बाई डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम हियर. आई विल गिव देयर एड्रेस एंड ऑल इन दिस वीडियो एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो ऐसा वाला एक्सपोर्ट सरप्लस आइटम, मस्त आइटम इधर आपको मिलेगा. इधर से आपको 10 आइटम आपको ले सकता है. 2500 से आपको माल ले सकता है. ओनली फॉर होलसेल, पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए इधर से माल आपको नहीं मिलेगा. ओनली फॉर शॉपकीपर्स. देखो ऐसा वाला बहुत सारा आइटम इधर आपको देखने को मिलेगा. इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट एन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस, यू कैन बाई द आर्टिकल फ्रॉम हियर. ऐसा वाला बहुत सारा अच्छा किड्सवेयर आपको मिलेगा, कम्प्लीटली एक्सपोर्ट सरप्लस आइटम्स. एंड अगर आप अभी बिजनेस में है तो आपको डायरेक्ट इधर आके भी परचेस कर सकता है. नहीं है तो ऑनलाइन पे भी ऑर्डर कर सकता है. देखो ऐसा वाला बहुत सारा आइटम इधर आपको देखने को मिलेगा. चलो हमको वीडियो को शुरू करेगा.
This is 170 rupees.
Okay.
Men's round neck.
Okay.
Back side print available.
Okay.
Colors,
How many
10
colors
colors
you have?
available.
10 colors.
Yes, 10 colors
okay,
available.
okay. You will get 10 colors from this very nice t-shirts. Okay, round neck. Completely
Yes, sir.
round
Men's
neck.
round neck.
And the cloth biowash, right?
Yes, biowash.
Biowash. Okay.
Yes.
Biowash material.
Yes, sir.
Super, super. Very nice. Okay. Oh, ho, ho. Super, super.
Back side
Amazing
print
design. Amazing design.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, this one you can see very nice designs. Okay, size
Yes to double XL, sir.
S to double XL. Okay,
Yes.
wow, super, super amazing. S to double XL size.
Yes, sir.
All sizes available.
Yes,
here.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
These
super.
all are one rate.
Minimum order quantity.
10 pieces, sir.
Oh, they can buy 10 pieces,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
Okay.
Minimum order value 2,500.
2,500.
500. Yes,
okay,
sir.
very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next item.
Next item, kurtis tops, sir.
Kurtis.
Yes, ladies kurtis tops, sir.
Ladies kurtis tops.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow, super. What is the price of this?
Sir, 270 rupees, sir.
270 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very
One
nice.
and only 270 rupees,
How
sir.
many designs you have in this?
Sir, 50 colors.
50 colors.
Prints. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, super. Very nice. Super, super. Amazing designs. Oh, wow, wow, super. Super, super. Very
Umbrella
nice.
tops, kurti tops available, sir.
Okay, okay,
3-piece set available, sir.
okay. The same MOQ 10 pieces, right?
No, sir. Kurti tops 25 pieces, sir.
You have to buy 25 pieces. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Super, super. Very nice. Amazing designs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next item we can see men's shirts. How much?
Popcorn style, eh?
Popcorn style.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
290 rupees, sir.
290 rupees only.
Yes, sir.
Wow, wow, super. Completely wholesale. You won't get retail.
Fabric, this almost different fabric, sir.
Okay, super, super. Very nice. And this one?
Sir.
Same.
Yes.
290 rupees, right?
Yes, sir.
S to double XL.
Yes, sir.
S, M, L, XL, double XL.
Yes, sir.
Okay, super, super. Okay, let's move to another one. Okay.
Okay,
Next
sir.
item.
Going, sir. Next samples available, sir.
Okay, okay. You can see lots of samples. You can see here t-shirts, tracksuit, 3/4. All items you will get from here. Iron Textiles doing very well. They have more quantities, more designs, more fabrics. Next we can see their sample section. Here we will get more samples. So we will start from here, right?
Yes, sir. This all 2 to 8 years shorts, sir.
2
Bottoms.
to 8 years shorts.
Shorts, sir.
Okay.
All are boys and girls available, sir.
Okay, okay. Boys and girls.
Girls, shorts,
Oh,
sir.
you can see here lots of items. Completely shorts. You will get much varieties here. Can you show this sample? Can you show this one?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is the price of that?
Sir, one and only 60 rupees, sir.
60 rupees only.
Yes, sir.
Oh, super.
12 month to 4
Material
years, sir.
bio-wash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, super. Very
Fine
nice.
fabrics, very
Fine
nice
fabrics.
quality.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
this one, can you show this one?
This is boys, sir.
Boys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have boys and girls in this.
Yes, sir. Boys
Okay.
and girls,
Okay, okay.
2
And
to
this
10
one?
years, sir.
2 to 10 years.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
very nice.
80 rupees, sir.
80 rupees.
Yes, only
Oh.
80 rupees, sir. 2 to
Okay.
10 years, sir.
They have to buy minimum 10 pieces, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
10 pieces.
10 pieces.
Okay, you can see here, you will get much varieties in this. You will get more different clothes, different fabrics, different designs. You can see different models. And this one, what about this? Can you show this one?
Yes, sir.
Girls, for girls, right?
Yes, sir. Girls
Ladies.
skirt, sir. Open
Girls
type.
skirt,
Girls
okay, I
skirt,
understand,
sir.
understand. Okay, okay. Girls skirts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Super, very
Inner
nice.
available, sir.
Nice.
This is 2 to 8 years, sir.
2 to 8 years.
Yes, sir. Only 145 rupees, sir.
145 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, super.
Almost export surplus quality, sir.
Okay, very nice. Okay.
No manufacturing, sir.
Okay, okay. Completely export surplus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see I will show you one by one items. Okay, this
Okay,
is
sir.
girls pant, and you can see
Pant.
next item skirt, velvet.
Skirt.
This is velvet, right?
Yes, sir.
Velvet. Okay. Next
Card.
item. Okay. Next item.
Yes,
This is
sir.
also skirt.
This is a big skirt.
Okay, super, very nice. Okay, you can see this one. This also
Woven.
skirts, woven skirts.
Yes, sir. All
Okay.
out prints.
Okay. Starting prices from this
This is from 120 rupees, sir.
120 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Or
So you have
month tops.
skirts from starting from 120, right?
120 rupees.
Okay.
Or girls month frocks
Month-
starting from 80 rupees, 85 rupees, 60 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
All are available, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next item.
Yes, sir. This
T-shirts.
article is 85 rupees only.
85 rupees only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next item.
This month top, sir.
Month tops.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This
T-shirts.
is yes top, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. T-shirt.
Next item. T-shirts again.
Yes, sir. Again
Tops.
T-shirts.
Girls
Yes,
tops.
sir. 80 rupees, sir.
80 rupees.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Next item.
This is surplus, sir.
Okay.
Month group, sir.
Okay. Super.
Yes. Newborn to 3 years, sir.
Okay. Okay.
This is
Oh,
6
okay.
month to 36 months,
You
sir.
can come directly here. You can touch and feel the quality and all. You can purchase directly from here, or you can purchase by online also, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and what about
this?
this?
All pant, sir.
Pant.
Pajamas. Yes,
Okay. Pant, completely pant.
sir. Pant, sir. This
For
all
ladies,
pants.
right? For girls. Sorry.
Girls, sir.
You will get more varieties in this. You will get more designs. You can see. Can you show this one? Okay, we can see this.
Sir, cargo styles, double packet.
Super, super.
3 month to 36 month.
Okay.
Years
super.
group. Only 130 rupees.
130 rupees only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, super. And
See,
this?
sir.
Same, 130.
Yes, sir. 3 month to 24 month, 135 rupees.
135 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Fleece available, sir.
Oh, super.
Fleece.
Oh, very soft.
Rising. Yes,
Too
very,
soft.
very soft. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
This
Okay,
all
next
are
item.
export surplus, sir.
Export surplus.
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to export from India to another country, you can export. Not for personal use, only for shopkeepers and business peoples. Okay, and what about this?
Girls top, sir.
Girls tops.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
can you show one among this?
4 years to 12 years,
Okay.
95 rupees, sir, only.
95 rupees only. 4
Yes,
years
sir.
to 12 years, right?
Yes, sir, yes,
okay,
sir.
next item.
2 to 10 years, sir.
Okay.
95 rupees only, sir.
95 rupees only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice.
Yes,
How many
sir.
colors?
2
you have?
colors, sir.
2 colors. Okay.
Yes, sir. 2 to
Same,
10 years,
95.
95 rupees, sir.
Okay, very nice.
Yes, sir.
More varieties, more designs, more colors. Okay. Now we can cover this. What is this?
Set item, sir.
Set item.
Yes, sir.
Completely set item.
Shorts set, 2 to 8 years, 130 rupees only.
130 rupees
Yes,
only.
sir.
Oh,
Shorts available, sir.
super, super, super.
Or top all out print, sir.
What
Pant
about
set,
this?
sir.
Pant set item.
Yes, sir.
Okay, super, very nice.
Girls set item, sir.
Okay, super, very nice. You can see here, this is innerwears. Innerwears also you have, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about this?
2 to 8 years,
Okay.
150 rupees only, sir.
150 rupees only.
Yes, sir.
For boys.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Boys.
you have boys and girls in this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Completely set items. And what about this? T-shirts, right?
Yes, sir. T-shirts.
T-shirts.
This is big size, sir. All are.
Completely big size.
Big size, sir. 8 to 16 years, sir.
8 to 16 years T-shirts. Completely big sizes.
Yes, sir. These all are 2 to 8 years, sir.
2 to 8
Boys
years.
and girls tops.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
you have all sizes, right?
Yes, sir.
And what about that? This one?
Sir, ladies or men's, sir.
Ladies and men's.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Shorts,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Shorts available
Okay.
or men's available.
Here you
This
will
is
get
men's,
shorts, men's shorts and ladies shorts. You can see here
This
More
is men's.
varieties you will get from here. Completely shorts, pant. This is also shorts, tops, ladies tops, right?
Yes, sir.
And pant. You can see here more varieties. You can see here ladies kurtis. Okay, so if you want to purchase like these products, you can contact directly their WhatsApp number. I will give their WhatsApp and all, address and all in this video. What about this?
Sir, this all are winter sweatshirts.
Winter short sets.
Yes, sir.
Winter sweatshirts
Winter
available here. You
sweatshirt.
can see here lots of varieties they
Yes,
have.
sir.
You can see. If
3
you
to
wanna
6
buy,
years, sir.
okay.
Yes.
3 to
6 years, sir.
3 to 6 years.
Yes, sir.
You will get t-shirts, winter dresses. This is completely t-shirts, right?
Yes, sir.
Completely
T-shirts or
t-shirts,
pants.
t-shirts and pants available
sir.
here. So we will cover next area. What is this?
This frock, sir.
Frogs.
Yes, sir.
What is the price of that?
160 rupees, sir, only.
160 rupees only. You can
Yes,
see.
sir.
Oh, very nice, super, very nice, super item, amazing.
Yes.
Completely export surplus items. You won't get these items from outside. Completely export surplus. Okay, what is the price of this?
155 rupees, sir.
155 rupees. Ladies, girls frocks. Wow. How many colors you have?
Sir, 10 colors available, sir.
10 colors available.
sir.
Oh, super, very nice.
This is boys sweatshirt.
Boys sweatshirts. Okay.
Yes, sir. This size is 2 to 8 years.
2 to 8 years.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
very nice. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
What colors you have?
Sir, 4-5 colors available, sir.
Okay.
These are girls, sir.
Girls.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Super.
Yes, sir. This one girls, sir.
Very nice, amazing.
This is Mickey girls
Oh.
embroidery.
Okay, okay. If you want to export from India, you can export best and good article from India, any countries, to Europe, to Middle East, any countries you can
Woven
export from
frocks.
India. Okay, frogs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what about this? Frogs.
Yes, sir. Frock.
Okay, okay. You will get more varieties, completely export surplus, ladies, men's, boys, girls, each and every items ARUN Textiles dealing completely wholesale, no retail, only for shopkeepers, not for personal use. This is for boys t-shirts.
Yes.
How many colors you have?
One color, sir. This.
Okay, okay.
This color, one color, sir.
Okay, okay, super.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next item. Oh, this is also t-shirts
Yes,
for
sir.
boys. Okay, completely t-shirts. T-shirts.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
T-shirt,
super.
full sleeve, sir.
Full sleeve t-shirts.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
you will get white t-shirts.
Yes, sir.
Completely
White color,
branded
half
export surplus items. This is shirts for boys. Okay, and you will get for ladies and girls from here, and they have articles on upstairs also. We can cover that area also. You can see here. This is, what is this?
Girls top, sir.
Girls tops.
Girls top, all out print.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.